How can you stand out from the crowd in 2023 and not just be an average agent? We are going to go over that next. Stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. My name is Derek Langfield. Today we are going to talk about how to separate yourself from the pack. Yes, a lot of agents are quitting because of the market shift. A lot of agents are taking a step back because of the holidays and ending out the year. You need to position yourself to where you can take over market share and scale your business in 2023 and separate yourself from all the other agents. How do you do that? We are going to be talking about it today. But if you're new here, welcome. The goal of this channel is to help you avoid the mistakes that I've made over my 8 years in real estate, to help scale your business the modern way, whether you're a new agent, broker, team leader, you just got licensed yesterday, whatever it is, we are here to provide value in whatever shape and form we can. So if you get value out of this, please consider subscribing to the channel. We have resources down below. As always, if you want to talk to me about YouTube, strategize your business, you have questions about a video I posted, you want to partner with me and my record-breaking group and get all our resources for free on social media and a whole bunch of other trainings, hit that calendar link down below, schedule a time to talk. Now let's get into it. How can you separate yourself from all the other agents out there in 2023 and really take it up a notch in your business? Number one is quite simple, but believe it or not a lot of realtors know. And it's just knowing your market, what's happening in your market. You need to relay that information to the buyers, the sellers, the developers, the investors, right? You need to stand out from the crowd by being a source of information. What's the average days on market? How many condos for sale? How many townhomes, single family homes for sale? What's the percentage below list price, above list price that homes are selling for? What buyers are asking for? What's working for buyers? What's working for sellers, right? You need to know exactly what is happening in your market and how to relay that message. That is the first way you are going to stand out from the other realtors out there. Before we get into number two, I want to make sure you guys stick around to the end of the video because we are going to have a bonus thing that you guys can do to separate yourself from the crowd. But let's get back into it. So what is number two? Number two is communication. Sounds simple enough, but again, a lot of realtors do not know how to communicate. You need to communicate with your clients. Let them know what's happening. Do not disappear for days or weeks at a time. You need to give them updates. You need to communicate exactly what is happening in an effective, precise way that gets your message across. You need to be able to communicate with your team members, lenders, inspectors. You need to be able to communicate with everybody involved, because if you do not communicate and you do not communicate effectively, problems will arise and your deal could fall apart. Number three way to stand out from the competition is problem solving. If you can problem solve and if you can solve somebody's problem, they will be with you for life. Not only in business, but in relationships and friendships and anything. If you can take care of somebody's problem, they will always be indebted to you. You need to be able to overcome objections and problems in this business because not every transaction is the same. And some problems can be massive. It could blow up the deal. It could cost your buyer their home. It can cost your seller the buyer that they had. There are many problems that can arise in a transaction. If you do not surround yourself with people that you trust and people that you know can help you overcome these problems, your deals will fall apart. You need to exhaust all resources. Don't just let one no or one problem end the deal or end the client or end the relationship. You need to exhaust every absolute resource that you have in order to overcome that problem. Again, if you overcome that problem, you will be a rock star. Number four goes along with the last two things that we talked about, and that is building relationships. You need to build relationships in this business. You need to build relationships with the right people because you never know when you may need to fall back on that relationship. Maybe it's another agent, maybe it's another lender, maybe it's another inspector, maybe it's another service provider or contractor. You need to maintain good relationships in this business, especially with colleagues and other agents, because you never know when you are going to cross paths with them. Maybe you have a buyer that is in line to get their offer accepted with another agent that you have a great relationship with. That's going to help matters. If you have a buyer in line for an agent that you do not have a good relationship with, that's gonna harm matters, right? So you need to build good relationships and maintain good relationships in this business. I cannot tell you how many deals that I've been able to save or put together because of the relationships I've had in this industry. I've been able to find buyers for properties really quickly because of other relationships that I fostered, right? I've been able to save deals because of other relationships that I fostered. You need to be able to have and maintain good relationships. Number 5 is very important. And I've found in 8 years, not a lot of realtors understand this concept or know how to do it. What is that? It's listen. Listening is key. Listening will help you build relationships. Listening will help you overcome problems. Ask your questions and shut up, especially when you are dealing with clients in a listing presentation, in a buyer's presentation, while you're showing a house, right? While you're talking to other agents and they're talking about their clients, right? Listen to agents, listen to clients, listen to brokers, listen to team leaders, listen to lenders, listen to inspectors, right? Listen to everyone. The way you grow in this business is learn, listen, communicate, and adapt. If you can master everything that we talked about and put in those 4 principles, you can definitely scale your business in 2023. Welcome to your bonus tip. If you're returning to this channel, you know that we preach it's no longer about how many people you know. It's more about how many people know you. In order to separate yourself from the pack, like 99% of realtors out there, the way you do that is leveraging video. If you are not comfortable in front of the camera, get comfortable. Start putting out content. If it's going to take a while, hey, stand in front of the camera for 15 days in a row, for 30 seconds to a minute. Just start talking after you push record. Now, you don't need to post it, but that is a way to get comfortable in front of the camera. You need to leverage video in 2023 if you want to stand out from the crowd, scale your business, have your business on autopilot. Video is king. It's been going that way for the last few years. Every year you go without video, the more and more you get put behind. You need to leverage video. That is it. That is it. Thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. If you got value out of this, please consider liking, subscribing, hitting that notification bell on this channel. As always, we have resources down below. If you need to contact me, whether it's a question, you want to strategize, you want to talk about YouTube, talk about your business, partner with me and our record-breaking group that's led agents to close 60, 70, $100 million in production in their first and second year. Hit the calendar link down below. I'm happy to set up a call. As always, we'll see you on the next one. Have a happy holidays.